You know that moment when your brain says, no more emails, no more work? In English, there's a short phrase that's perfect for this. And right now, you're going to learn it in just 2 minutes. And I promise, you'll remember it forever. The phrase is, call it a day. It means to stop working and finish what you're doing. Super easy, right? But let me show you how people actually use it in real life, so it sticks in your memory. Imagine you've been in the office since morning. 10 Zoom calls, 5 coffees. Your boss keeps asking for just one more thing. Finally, at 6 p.m., everyone looks at each other and says, okay, let's call it a day. Or picture this. It's Saturday, and you decide to clean your house. You start strong, vacuum, dishes, laundry. But 2 hours later, you're lying on the couch with chips, looking around and saying, yeah, I'll call it a day. And my favorite example? The gym. You arrive full of motivation, new sneakers, playlist ready. You do one push-up, look in the mirror, and think, that's enough for today, let's call it a day. Here's a quick way to remember it. Imagine pressing the off button on your day. Laptop closed, lights off, pajamas on. That's when you say, I'm calling it a day. Now it's your turn. What do you usually do before you call it a day? Scroll on your phone, watch Netflix, or maybe just fall asleep on the sofa? Write your sentence in the comments. This way, you'll really remember the phrase. And if this lesson was fun and useful, give it a like and subscribe, because tomorrow I'll teach you another phrase you'll actually use.